Did it go beep beep? Okay, we'll do your letters. Are you ready? Alright, look at the camera.
I'll play tractor.
Well, here, you said you were going to do these for me. Do these. What letter is that? That's wonderful. Here. Look, I showed it to the camera. Now you tell them what it is.
C.
Good. And we'll show it. What's that one?
2.
Show. What's that one?
G.
Good. What's that one?
D.
Oh, I forgot to show that one. Silly mommy.
Meow.
What is it?
Ew.
Oh, I didn't understand you. What's that one?
No, that.
Uh-huh.
No, that.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good that you don't. What's this? We gotta wait a minute. You got something on your face? Did you pick something up? Okay. Thank you, dirt. Well, don't hurt yourself. We'll wash it off here after a while. Was it where you were playing?
Yeah.
Yeah. What letter is that? Can you tell me that later?
Yeah.
What's that one?
Martin.
Well, all over you. You gonna do this one?
Hey, Martin.
You ready? What's this one?
T.
There you go. Go ahead and lay them down there as I hand them to you. What's that one?
F.
Good. That one?
U.
That one?
P. S.
You're on a roll now.
Shana.
Yeah, that's Shauna's letter. What's this letter? You didn't do it.
J.
Excellent. Oh, I think this was like the first one you ever
No.
learned. Oh, you guys show it? Okay. Thank you. Wonderful. You want to show them?
This one.
Well, here, they've already seen these. Show them that one. What's that one? What letter is
B.
that? Okay. Show them that one. What is it?
O.
Show them.
E. Back.
I don't know if you're doing it
A.
quite slow enough.
F.
You show it like this so they can see it.
A.
Okay.
R. Y.
Oh, honey. Why?
Seven.
You know that one.
Seven.
You gonna show it? Okay. What is it?
Y.
No.
A.
X.
X.
Okay. Oh, people are gonna see you screaming. What letter's that? What letter's that? Uh-huh. This on this side, they already seen it. What letter's that?
N.
Excellent. Let me pause it. Okay, we're rolling. What shape's that? Trapezoid. Good. This one?
Yeah.
No, it's not the octagon. It's the what? Oh, I thought it fell. What's this? Not octagon.
Super.
Huh?
Super. State.
Hexagon. Alright,
Headstone.
what's this one?
Moon.
Good. What's this one?
Oval.
What's that one?
Shadow.
Good. That one?
Square.
That one?
Star. Octagon.
No, not octagon. Starts with a P.
P.
Pentagon.
Right hand. It's stop.
What shape's the stop sign?
What don't stop.
Yeah. What's that one? What shape's that?
Down.
Good. And that one?
Turn.
Last one.
Heart.
Excellent. Let's pause again.